Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Eclipse IDE online extension added to your Google Chrome. And so you'll be able to write Java from home on a laptop, a Chromebook, or a desktop computer. The first thing you're going to do is go to this class Moodle page, and you're going to see a link that says Eclipse IDE online link. Click on that link and it will take you to this page. When you come to this page, yours is going to say add to Chrome here instead of remove from Chrome. That's because I've already put it on my Chromebook, and once you guys do it, put on your Chrome, yours will also say that. So once you click on add to Chrome, it'll add it up here. You're going to see there's the icon, and it should be to the left of your Google login. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and say open Eclipse IDE. There are also written directions for this in the Moodle page as well. Once you get here, you're going to want to make sure that you use the workspace that it already has selected for you. So you're just going to say, okay. Then when you get here, you're going to want to have the project window open as well. Right now, you won't have this window. Yours is just going to say Package Explorer, and I want you to be able to open the Project Explorer window up too. So you're going to go to Window, Show View, and click on Project Explorer. Now you'll have that as well. We are now going to make our Java project. So from here, you're going to go to File, New, and you're going to say Java Project. You're going to want to make sure you follow these exact steps when you make your project so that your programs run correctly. I'm going to call my project name Computer Programming. Notice I do not have a space between computer and programming. The next thing I want to do is click here where it says use specific GRE. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say finish. Now it's created a Google project or Java project for me. The next thing I need to do is I need to create a package where I'm going to store my Unit 1 Lesson 2 projects in. So I'm going to right click on my computer programming, and I'm going to say New Java Package. It looks kind of like a little yellow Lego. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to name your package Unit 1 underscore Lesson 2. Again, you cannot have spaces in here. That's why I used an underscore. Then I'm going to say finish. The last thing if you notice, it made a little SRC folder with my package underneath it. So you've got the little Lego box there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my package, and I'm going to create a practice file. This is going to be a new Java class, and the class is the individual file that we're going to write our program in. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to call, and notice it's saying it's in my computer programming folder in my package called Unit 1 Lesson 1. And I'm going to call this Lesson 2 underscore practice. And before you click on finish, we also will want to add our public static void main in here. This is some code that we need to run our program, and we'll talk about it when we talk about the skeleton. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then I'm going to click on finish. When I do that, it's going to create some code out there for me. And this is the start of my Java code. If you notice, this is telling me the package that it's stored in, which matches here. The public class here is the same name that I have here. This is comment code. And so anything in between this item here is ignored by the computer. The other comment code you can do is 2 slashes. So I can either do this, and that means that the computer will ignore it. Or the way they have it up above is you can do \*, and then anything in between the star backslash will also be comment code. I'm going to go ahead and delete this comment code because I don't need it anymore. And up here, I could put my name in here if I wanted, so we knew who was done. Okay, and now we're just going to write in here, we're going to declare a string variable, and we're going to call it name, and you're going to make it equal to your name. Notice I write my name in quotes, and I'm going to do a semicolon, and then I'm going to print it out. And in order to get it to print out, I'm going to do system dot out dot, and you can see certain things are popping up as I'm doing this. Print line, and inside the parentheses, the name of the variable I want to print, which is name. And again, I end it with a semicolon. Now, in order to see if this works, I'm going to go up here to run. I'm going to click on run, and I'm going to say, run my program. And it's going to ask me if that's the right practice, if that's the right package, and it is. So I'm going to say, okay. And notice it printed out my name down here. So just go ahead and just get this part set up. That's all we're asking for you to do at this point, is to get your Eclipse extension put up and write a string variable with your name and get it to print out. Good luck and have a great day.